Hello, my name is Revant Rajiv. I am from Kaveri Educational Institute and I am a app developer and a ethical hacker. I had learned four programming languages like Python, JavaScript, Java and C++. And also I had learned ethical hacking and this is my new project based on Prime Minister's Digital India and Smart India concept. And in this project, we can control our home from any part of the world. For example, this is a GSM module and in this GSM module I had connected a Airtel SIM because Airtel supports both 3G and 2G devices. This SIM module is a 3G device, so I had connected a Airtel SIM, and this Airtel SIM has connected to this number via wireless. I had made programming in Arduino. In this Arduino, from this socket, I had made programming regarding the Arduino, and here he is going to show a experiment regarding this. He is sending light on to that number. When he will send light on, here the sim will detect that message and decode the message to this Arduino, and here the relay will work and this light will on. Then he will again light off that power. Here light off. And like this, there is another working experiment. This is LPG gas leakage detecting MQ6 sensor. It will detect the LPG gas leakage in our homes and the buzzer will start sounding, and in this mobile you will get a SMS that gas leakage has happened in this home. Here you can see message came, gas leakage detected. And similarly, this is a garbage container. If the garbage container is full, then he will receive a notification regarding that. Here garbage container is full. Here he will get a message in 2 to 3 seconds. He got garbage container is full. And like this, he can also control this fan. And this is a rain alarm. If there is any rain sensation in his agriculture area, he will get that thing in his home mobile. For example, here rain is happening and he will get the signal to his mobile. You can see here raining, it is showing raining, so we can come to a conclusion that there is a rain in our agriculture area. And similarly, this is a water pump. If we send the pump on from that smartphone, here Arduino will receive that signal and decode that pump to pump, and here the motor will start running. It has a submergible pump, so water will be recycled in this project. Okay, and this is the main aim of this project as per the Prime Minister Digital India Smart India. Here you can see that water is flowing here, and he sent pump off, so pump has turned off. So this is a small project regarding the Digital India and Smart India. I gave 9-volt battery and 12-volt battery and also 5-volt power bank because Arduino supports only 5 volt and the GSM module supports 12 volt. So this is the latest technology. So we can use this for every homes and agriculture areas. Instead of manpower, the machine and artificial intelligence will work.